Aviator Sunglasses.
In the 1930s, the U.S. Army Air Corps commissioned Bausch & Lomb to create high-altitude eyewear that could block glare without fogging. This led to the 1936 anti-glare prototype, featuring the iconic teardrop shape designed to protect the pilot's entire field of vision while he looked down at cockpit instruments. The style went viral in 1944 when General Douglas MacArthur was photographed wearing them during the liberation of the Philippines. Post-World War II, military surplus sales transitioned the frames from tactical gear to a civilian fashion staple. Their status as a pop culture icon was cemented by Hollywood, most notably by Tom Cruise in the 1986 film Top Gun, which caused a massive 40% surge in Ray-Ban sales and secured their permanent place in fashion history.
When it comes to styling aviators, keep it effortless and masculine. Pair them with leather jackets, plain t-shirts, or denim for that classic pilot vibe. They also work incredibly well with semi-formal outfits like shirts or blazers, giving you a confident, timeless look. Avoid overly flashy clothing. Aviators shine best when the outfit is simple and clean.
Wayfarer Sunglasses. In 1952, a designer named Raymond Stegman changed sunglasses forever. Before this, most glasses were made of thin metal. He used thick plastic instead to create a bold, boxy shape called the Wayfarer. They became a huge hit because they looked cool and modern. Famous stars like James Dean and Audrey Hepburn wore them, making them the ultimate fashion accessory. Even though they faded for a bit, they made a massive comeback in the 1980s thanks to movies like Risky Business. Today, they are still the most famous sunglasses in the world because they look good on almost everyone.
Wayfarers are the most versatile sunglasses you can own. They go perfectly with casual outfits like jeans, t-shirts, and sneakers. You can also style them with smart casual looks like button-down shirts or polos. If you want a safe, everyday style that always works, this is it.
Round sunglasses. This is the oldest style of eyewear. In the 1920s and 30s, they were the only option because cutting glass into a circle was easiest. In the 1960s, they became a symbol of peace and love when icons like John Lennon wore them. Today, people wear them to look retro or indie. They are perfect for softening sharp facial features like a square jawline. Most people now choose them for a fun, creative, and vintage vibe.
Round sunglasses are all about personality. Pair them with oversized shirts, layered outfits, or vintage-inspired clothing. They work best with relaxed, creative styles. Think bohemian or indie fashion. Avoid pairing them with very formal outfits, as they're meant to feel expressive, not structured.
Square sunglasses. It has a fascinating history. They first appeared in 12th century China, where judges used flat, smoky quartz lenses to hide their emotions in court. In the 1960s and 70s, they became a major fashion trend. Icons like Grace Kelly and Jackie Kennedy popularized oversized square frames, making them a symbol of high fashion and mystery. Today, people use them to balance face shapes. They add sharp lines to round or oval faces. Make a statement. Large, bold frames remain a top choice for celebrities and influencers. Protect eyes. Their large size provides excellent coverage against UV rays.
Square sunglasses are bold, so your outfit should match that energy. They look great with structured clothing like jackets, coats, or sharp fits. Monochrome outfits, especially black, white, or neutral tones, enhance their impact. If you want to stand out, this is your power move.
Rectangle sunglasses. It peaked during the minimalist 1990s and early 2000s. Unlike the large frames of earlier decades, these slim, horizontal shapes became a symbol of cool in pop culture, often seen in iconic films like The Matrix. Today, they are incredibly popular as a retro revival trend, especially among younger generations seeking a Y2K aesthetic. People use them to add a sharp, edgy look to their outfits and to provide focused sun protection for the eyes.
Rectangle sunglasses are perfect for a sleek, modern look. Style them with fitted outfits, minimal designs, and clean silhouettes. They pair extremely well with streetwear or Y2K-inspired fashion. Keep everything sharp and simple. That's where they shine.
Cat eye. The cat eye sunglasses have a stylish history that began in the late 1920s when Altina Shinasi Miranda invented them to make eyewear more feminine. They became a global sensation in the 1950s and 60s.
famously worn by Audrey Hepburn in Breakfast at Tiffany's. Their upswept edges were designed to mimic feline eyes and lift the wearer's face. Today, they are a major fashion staple, used to add vintage glam or a bold, sharp edge to modern outfits. Cat eye sunglasses instantly add elegance and attitude. They look amazing with dresses, heels, or chic outfits. You can also pair them with modern outfits to create a bold contrast. If you want a confident, stylish, and slightly dramatic look, these are perfect. Oversized. These sunglasses became a major fashion icon in the 1960s, famously led by First Lady Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis, whose signature Jackie O frames were designed to help her observe others while remaining hidden from the paparazzi. In the 1970s, the style grew even bolder with dramatic, free-spirited designs, before making a massive comeback during the early 2000s Hollywood glam era. Today, people use these large frames not just as a high-fashion statement, but for superior eye health, as the increased lens size provides better UV protection for the delicate skin around the eyes. They are currently trending as a versatile accessory that can hide tired eyes on casual days or add instant sophistication to a red carpet look. Oversized sunglasses are all about luxury and drama. They pair beautifully with flowy outfits, coats, or high-fashion looks. Even a simple outfit can look premium when styled with oversized frames. Perfect for days when you want to look stylish with minimal effort. Wraparound. They were first created in the 1960s as a variation of the Aviator model, famously worn by icons like Yoko Ono. They gained massive popularity in the 1980s when the brand Oakley reinvented them for athletes, and they later became a staple of 1990s rave culture. Designed with a strong curve that hugs the face, they provide superior protection by blocking sunlight, wind, and dust from the sides. Today, people use them as high-performance gear for cycling and running. Wraparound sunglasses lean towards a sporty and futuristic vibe. They work best with activewear, athleisure, or streetwear outfits. Think joggers, hoodies, and performance clothing. They're not for formal looks. They're built for speed, energy, and edge. Photochromic sunglasses. This is commonly known as transitions and has a clever history starting in the 1960s at Corning Glassworks. These smart lenses contain special molecules that change shape and darken automatically when exposed to UV light from the sun. People use them as a two-in-one solution because they stay clear like regular glasses indoors, but transform into dark sunglasses outside. Today, they are popular for providing all-day UV protection and convenience, especially for athletes and people who move frequently between indoor and outdoor settings. Polarized. These sunglasses are designed with special lenses that reduce glare from reflective surfaces, such as water, roads, or glass. This makes them highly useful for driving, traveling, or spending time outdoors. They improve clarity and reduce eye strain, which becomes noticeable after long use. Polarized sunglasses are suitable for all face shapes, since their main purpose is comfort and vision enhancement rather than style.